Welcome back to A4A2 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to find and utilize the rainbow prism effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Effects, Video Effects, Light Effect, and then scroll down to find the rainbow prism effect. Click and drag it down to the timeline. Something that I should mention is that if you don't have the Pro CapCut, you won't be able to export this effect from CapCut. So make sure you guys have the Pro version of the software. Now, with the effect being selected, we're going to go up to the Special Effects tab, and we can mess with the strength, the glow, the range, size, speed, and texture, and also add keyframes to it to add a little bit more flair to the effect. So let's take a look at this effect. And there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.